Diagram first. Before going to start the session, let us look at the diagram. What is the given diagram? So many times we have seen, and what are the parts present in it? What type of materials we have taken here? Let us find out. By the way, what is the aim of this experiment? What are the materials required? Procedure, observations, precautions, and conclusion. Now, the given experiment which demonstrates production of carbon dioxide during respiration. How can you prove that? Carbon dioxide production during respiration in germinating seeds. So that is our experiment. What are the materials present here? Let us see. Let us take a flask, and here we have to take some germinating seeds inside this flask. Germinating seeds. We can take the flask or any transparent glass jar, etc. Germinating seeds, and along with these germinating seeds, a small beaker with lime water. A small beaker with lime water, and there is a lid which closes the mouth of this flask or the transparent glass jar. So these are materials which we require. Now, point number one. So we know very well about our aim. We have to prove CO2 production during growth of germinating seeds. We have written the required materials. Let us see the procedure of this experiment. Procedure. Arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure. After a few minutes, let us observe the changes of lime water inside the small beaker kept in the flask. If you carefully observe it, what color appears in the lime water? So, after procedure, we have to write the observations. So, what are your observations in this experiment? The color of lime water which kept in a small beaker has converted into the milky white color precipitate. This milky white color precipitate indicates the presence of carbon dioxide produced by the germinating seeds. Let us see what happened here. During respiration process, germinating seeds, they are producing the carbon dioxide. As we have closed the flask with the lid, so carbon dioxide could not escape from the flask. The produced carbon dioxide reacted with the lime water kept in this small beaker. So as you know, when carbon dioxide reacts with lime water, the lime water will turn into milky white color precipitate. Isn't it? So germinating seeds are they are also living cells, which means they are also having living cells. Germinating seeds are also having living seeds like us, like plants, like other living organisms. As you know, living cells, when they undergoes for cellular respiration, they are able to produce carbon dioxide at the end of the respiration process. When glucose burns inside, when glucose breaks down by mitochondria inside the cell, it happens during the time of cellular respiration, right? As we know very well in the previous classes we have discussed. So that is procedure. And observation, appearance of milky white color precipitate in the beaker. And finally, precautions we have to take. What precautions you will take in this experiment? If there is a question, one mark question like this, what precautions you will follow while doing experiment with germinating seeds. Precaution number 1, carefully we have to close the mouth of the flask with the lid without any gap. If there is a gap, what will happen? Easily carbon dioxide escapes and experiment conclusion or result would not come perfectly. So that's why that precaution we have to take. Finally, conclusion we have to write. By the above experiment, I have understood when carbon dioxide reacts with lime water, it gives milky white color precipitate. That milky white color precipitate produced by the germinating seeds, which shows that germinating seeds shows respiration process. So all growing plants, they do shows respiration. Respiration is a common process in living organisms like plants and animals and even bacteria. Clear, students? This is our today's experiment, and we will see one more experiment, how to prove production of heat energy in germinating seeds. In the next class, we are going to see that. Until stay